So ECN deals with every renewable energy development. What is a noticeable trend or research focus in terms of the R&D perspective?
I would say that in the last, let's say, 10 or 20 years, more and more of the R&D is being done by private companies. The technology development started off, let's say, in the 1970s, pretty much with institutes being in the lead. So what we see recently is that the renewable energy market is a global market, a large market, with investment of over $200 billion per annum. And so therefore it's now more the private companies, the private sector, who is actually driving innovation and research and development.
So the whole world seems to join clean energy development and investment competition. Who is winning this race so far?
I don't think there is one clear winner yet. There is various regions which are competing to be a winner. This is healthy. This is also normal. We see that in other industries as well. What we do say is that what we do see is that Asian companies have very good competences in this area, and this has to do with the fact that many of the renewable energy technologies are manufacturing type technologies, and of course countries like China, but also Korea, have a very strong manufacturing competence. I think it's also depends a little bit on the type of technology that you look at. So for example, PV requires a different set of skill compared to offshore wind turbines.
Education-wise, we're pretty much interested in nurturing global leaders who can resolve various global issues such as global warming and energy development. So what does it take for Korean students to become future global leaders, and what kinds of skills should they learn as they go along?
When you say future global leaders, I interpret that to mean in the area of renewable energy technologies. I think it will have to be a mixture. I think definitely engineering capability is necessary in order to develop these solutions. Also, personal development is important because you also need to be able to inspire others towards that vision, and a degree of leadership and management capability in order to deal with complex issues.